With a sudden burst of speed, it launches forward, the fastest land animal on Earth. In just a few seconds, the cheetah reaches over 100 kilometers per hour, gliding effortlessly across the open savannah. Its long legs stretch wide, its flexible spine bends like a spring, and its tail balances every sharp turn. Focused eyes lock onto the target, precision and power in perfect harmony. This is not just a hunt, it's nature's masterpiece of speed and grace. The cheetah, truly the champion of the wild.